Apple's biggest surprise of the year is finally leaked. This is completely unexpected. If true, the iPhone 15 series will set a level never seen before on a smartphone in one key area of user experience, and that is battery life. According to this breaking news coming from IT Home, the entire iPhone 15 series is rumored to feature significantly larger batteries. This is indeed the biggest battery upgrade for any individual iPhone, or collectively if you want to call it, ever if you compare it to the previous generation. We are reaching near 5000 mAh battery size if you see the iPhone 15 Plus and the 15 Pro Max / the 15 Ultra. Considering we all know how good the battery life is on the iPhone 14 Pro Max with that mere 4300 mAh cell, this new battery size is going to take the iPhone battery to an absolute insane level. Just when Samsung was finally closing the gap with the iPhone when it comes to battery performance, as we have seen with the S23 Ultra, Apple does this. And let's not forget, the Apple A17 chip is going to be the first chip on a smartphone built on a 3nm architecture, which means in theory it's going to be the most efficient smartphone chip. That combined with this big battery, we're going to see some insane performance on the iPhone 15 series. Let me know what you think about this in the comments below. Also in the news, we have another surprise regarding the iPhone 15 Pro and the Pro Max specifically. According to the latest rumors, Apple might actually drop the 128GB model from their lineup. Instead, they will offer the 256GB storage as their starting storage option. With that being said, don't keep your hopes up when it comes to the pricing. They're not gonna price it similar to the current 128GB price of the iPhone 14 Pro. Very likely, it will have the price that you would normally pay for the 128GB model, which means the iPhone 15 Pro and the Pro Max will be expensive than last year's model while giving you more storage. They're doing this to make more money, but the other reason might be regarding the camera video upgrade, specifically 8K video recording that could possibly come to the iPhone 15 Pro series this year, which of course will require a lot more storage than before. Now last but not the least, the USB-C revolution is coming. Alongside the USB-C iPhone 15 series, we're gonna see one more product with the USB-C edition, and that is going to be the brand new AirPods Pro. This will be a brand new case with a new USB-C connection instead of the Lightning, so that it is compatible with the new USB-C cable that we will be seeing inside the box with the iPhone 15 lineup. And no, the charger isn't coming back, so please stop hoping for that to happen. That's all for this news. Let me know what you think about the most insane battery life that we could see on any smartphone ever with the iPhone 15 series. As always, if you're new here, be sure to subscribe. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.